Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize, the lighting is a little off, but I wanted to record this real quick because, oh yeah, and I look like shit. That's because I'm literally about to do my hair. But I don't know if you guys saw that viral TikTok trend with the makeup. I'll post the video right now somewhere here. I'm always looking for new ways to, you know, make my makeup as smooth as possible, and I wanted to try it. First, I'm gonna do my hair. I've got like so many YouTube videos to film today. I'm gonna do my hair and then we're gonna try that viral thing. My hair is like really damp, not really damp, semi-damp right now. So I was trying to like let it air dry before we do anything. But yeah, let me do my hair and I'll be right back. I'm back. I just finished doing my hair. I did a little swoop thing. I've never done this before. I can't tell whether it looks weird or cute. But yeah, and then I just crimped my hair with my little crimper. I was gonna put in my audio today, but I don't feel like fussing with it and adding it later, so we're just gonna deal with this kind of background noise, which I apologize for. Basically, I'm gonna go to the video because I don't remember exactly how it starts. I think I apply the powder on first, then I do my primers. Oh, excuse me. Okay, my bad. So first it is moisturizer, powder, then setting spray, then primer, then foundation. Yeah, pretty complicated, but this girl on TikTok swore by it, so we're going to try that today. So the moisturizer that I'm going to use, that I've been using the past couple videos, is my Pond's Light Moisturizer. It just looks like this, and so I'm just gonna apply that to my face. I burned my finger when I was combing my hair and it still hurts really badly. I'm gonna go in with this Ready Set Go translucent powder by Lottie London. I'm not exactly sure how to do this, so I'm just gonna take a brush and start applying it. We're gonna see. So just apply it like normal, I guess. This is so weird. I feel like I'm doing my makeup routine backwards, but this girl swears by it. And so I'm curious because right now I have a pretty good routine where my makeup is pretty smooth. It could be smoother, but I'm pretty happy because I've gone such a far way like figuring out smoothest routine that works for me and my skin type. But it doesn't always hurt to go smoother or try a different way, and I'm honestly curious because, like I was just saying, like it could be smoother, my routine. So that's why I am so open to doing this. I really don't know how much I'm supposed to put on. It's just a light layer, but like, what is light? I got that pretty much coated. So she didn't say anything about, okay, so first, now I have to do the setting spray and then I have to let that dry. And then she didn't say anything about like, what do I do after I apply my foundation? Like, am I supposed to set it with powder again or what? So we'll see. But I'm gonna spray my face right now. I'm using the, she said it didn't matter what setting spray. I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I don't have the exact products that she have, but this one works pretty well when I set my face anyway, so I'm just gonna use it. Really make sure I get a good coat. I got it everywhere. I'm using my video game. It has like this stickiness because I got my shoulder right here. Feel to it. Interesting. I'm hoping it really makes a big difference. I don't think it will, just like my honest like predictions or whatever, but I'm hoping it does. I look like I'm wearing a headband, but it's my hair. So now I'm gonna go in with my primer. Actually, I'm just gonna go with my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. So it is this luminous primer. It looks like this yellow. It has this yellowish tint to it, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of that. And now she says to go in with your foundation. I'm going to go in with a wet beauty blender to really just enhance this. Usually I've been going with the dry one, but I'm going to wet it just to help this look as much as possible because I'm like aiming for this to work, so I'm really hoping. So I'm going to wet my beauty blender and I'll be right. Lighting is becoming very yellowish and wonky. I apologize. I wet my beauty blender, so we're going to try it. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, literally the foundation that I always use. My skin looks so textured right now, but we're gonna try. I mean, all I can say is it just feels very moisturized. And I don't want to have to add a lot of foundation, you know? I just want to add a little bit today. Okay, I'm gonna go in real close. Ew. It is still very textured. Ew. I never want to do that again. So I don't know if I'm supposed to set it. I'm guessing I just do like my normal makeup routine. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do a pretty simple look today. Probably next I would do my eyebrows. So while this kind of like sits there, we're gonna do our eyebrows. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. brow pomade. So it just looks like this. Also gonna go in with the Glossier Boy Brow. It's a lighter shade than my, and just brush them up because we want some thick brows today. I'm gonna do one brow for right now, and because I'm gonna do the other one on TikTok. So as you can see the difference, one's very like bushy and nice and full. My mom sent me a text and she's like, which one do you want me to get? And it's like, oops, come on. She's at a baby shower right now and they have like hella Mexican candy, and I'm just like, got me some because I'm too lazy to go get myself some. But like they have like mazapans. I didn't even know they had chocolate ones. But yeah, I was like, I had to like circle it and edit, and I'm like, this one, this one, this one. I usually always use really cheap stuff unless it was gifted to me. But yeah. So now I'm gonna go in closer. I'm gonna underline. Wow, that's like significantly darker. Let's look at upwards with the upward side. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. Wow, my camera's about to die. And pretty much clean up under my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna apply this on my lid so we can set it. So I'm gonna do this eyebrow first. And just put on a pretty good amount of concealer. We don't want a lot because we're just cleaning up the brows right now. And then I'm gonna take this brush. And attempt to clean up my eyebrows. That took a long time. Just spread the rest out over the lid. And then you're Gucci. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretty much finish our face. So I'm gonna go in with those two concealers again and start applying the concealer under my eyes. And I'm using that ColourPop powder, and I'm gonna use a beauty blender to set my face. So one to blend it and one to set it. Wow, that really cleans it up. Look at that difference. I don't know, the directions are pretty. Holy smoke. Yo, that's actually really smooth. And I've used this powder a million times before and it's never been this smooth. Like, do you guys see that? Look, I'm gonna come in closer. Like, I know I have, what am I call it, but bro, I think that's like magic. Dude, I didn't even need a concealer anywhere else. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna finish concealing though because I always add concealer. I'm just gonna add a little less than I normally do. Set to the motherfucking gods. I'm looking pale as fuck, but I finished setting my face and I wiped off the like excess powder as much as like I possibly could. So I realized I haven't creased yet, but it's just the beginning. I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics Diamond Dazzlers in the shade captivating. It's like this pink shade, and I'm just gonna apply it to like the center of my lid. Super pigmented and spills everywhere. I'm actually going to wet my brush. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Actually, I guess we're doing all over my lid. I'm gonna take whatever I have excess on my face and put it as a highlight. I love using it as a highlight normally, but I was trying not to aim to do that. So we have one eye down. Super pretty, super simple. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and we'll be right back. I actually finished applying my like pretty much everything else, my blush, my bronzer, my lips. Gonna pretty much like rate like what I thought about it, and I'm really impressed actually. I literally like was crying like 30 seconds ago, and the makeup like literally stayed on. Like there's a little streak mark you can see, but I was tapping it with a tissue, and my makeup literally stayed on. It did not come off, so it really holds there. So I'm really surprised. I've never had makeup that was cry proof before. I'm really impressed with this trend, the little TikTok put the powder on first. I'm very thankful for the girl that like sent that out and like decided to share that with everyone. So thank you so much. This is definitely gonna be probably my new, ow, what the fuck? This is most likely gonna be my new routine now. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. My makeup, in my opinion, like my forehead hasn't creased, like nothing has creased, and I set it twice with the powder, and I'm not too matte. I probably wouldn't recommend this for people who do have oily skin. I mean oily skin, like really dry skin, because I feel like it could potentially like dry you out too much. But what I did to counteract that, because I kind of have like dry skin here and like really oily skin here, so what I did was I used the powder, but then when it tells you to use a primer, I used a what's it called, a luminous primer, which is the one that I specifically used was by ELF. So if you want to counteract that but also like have it work, I recommend using a very moisturized primer, something that makes you kind of like dewy, like a dewy primer, or like the NYX dewy whatever as your primer. And then you could still try this process out, but again, if you do the exact same way that I did, I don't recommend it for dry skin, because I kind of have like dry skin, but like it's doing okay. My skin usually gets like, it's super dry when I first apply the makeup, and then after like 2 hours when I've been wearing it, like it freaking like starts getting super oily, and then I usually have to carry a compact mirror around with like a powder, like my MAC Fix Plus powder. But I'm gonna test it out, and I'm gonna see how this holds for a few hours. I'm going to hop on to Fortnite and pass the time because it's super late, and I like literally am not going out. I have no friends to hang out with today. I'm just gonna wear it till like 12 a.m. or I don't know, just whenever I go to bed. And I'll come back and maybe check in with you guys and let you guys know how it's feeling to me, because this girl, when she in the video, I don't know if you guys remember, but she said that it would stay on for like 24 hours, or she said 24 hours, but she said it would for sure stay on all day. So I'm hoping that if I like wear this to, you know, school, and then I go to work after, like it'll be good. But we'll see. I'm really impressed with it. I'm actually really happy with it, and I super duper like it. And did you guys see my new lights that I got? They're the LED lights, like those gamer lights or TikTok lights. I'll check with you guys later. If I don't, please don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. We're almost at 400 subscribers. I know it's been taking us a long time to get there. That's because your girl is very inconsistent when she posts, and enjoying me doing my makeup like this with some, oh my god, she scared me. Come here, mommy. Look, mommies, it's my YouTube channel. And if I would have kissed my cat and done that with my makeup before, it would have come right off. But I'm like kissing her, and it's like staying like my chin, because I hate when I would hug anybody when I would wear makeup, it would come right off on their shit, like on their sweater or on their shirt, but not coming off at all. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my later or my next video.